Welcome to a short video on how to use the PowerSchools app. It's very easy to use and intuitive. You can have instant access to your students' grades, attendance, and more. The first thing that you'll need to do is download the PowerSchools app. It's available for Android phones and for Apple devices. When you've downloaded the app, just click on the app button to open. The first time that you open the app, you will need to enter our district's code. Our code is RJNS. Then you'll need to choose if you are setting up the application for yourself as a parent or for yourself as a student. Both parents and students can use this application. When you are prompted to use your username and password, use the same credentials that you were given by your school to access the parent portal. If you do not have those credentials, please reach out to your student's counselor and they'll be providing those for you. Now you'll see the dashboard. This gives you instant information, including your students' grade averages, their attendance, and more. If you look at the upper right-hand corner, if you have more than one student in Madison City Schools, then you will be able to toggle between the students. Here's a great example of that. If I had hit toggle, I could go into this screen and choose which student's dashboard that I would like to see. Once I've chosen one of my child's names, then I'll get their dashboard, and when I click on one of their classes, I can see what assignments are coming up due today, what's coming up at a later date if the student's teacher has entered those assignments in PowerSchools. I can also view assignments that have been submitted and graded. From that page, I can also toggle to attendance to see how often my child has been absent from that class. And I can email my child's teacher directly by clicking on the envelope icon. Moving back to the dashboard, if you'll look to the middle, you'll see that I can get a great deal of information on assignments. I can look for any upcoming assignments. They'll all be listed here for all of my child's classes. I can click on recent and see all of the recently submitted assignments along with my child's grades. And then if I click status, I'll get an even more detailed description of where my child stands as far as assignments. You'll see in assignment status, I can see if my child is missing any assignments, if they have submitted any late assignments, or if they have any incomplete assignments. And you'll see on this example, this student has no incomplete assignments. Going back to the dashboard, if you scroll all the way down, there's additional information. You can click on classes and you can see your child's current class schedule. You can scroll over, and if your child is in middle school, you can see what rotation the classes will be on in the coming weeks. You can also choose semester 2 to see which classes your child will have second semester. When you click on calendar, you'll see all of the upcoming assignments from all of the classes. And then you'll also see a 3-dot symbol with the word more. If you click on that, you get an even additional layer of information. First, from the more screen, I can click on my account, and then I can set up notifications for each of my students. I can choose if I want to receive notifications for both of my students or only one. And I can even go in and choose which notifications that I would like to receive and how frequently I would like to receive them. If I go back to the More screen, you'll see school. If I click on school, then I have hot links for my child's school's phone number. I have their fax number, and there's also a hot link for their address. If you click on the hot link, you can get directions to the school. And then if you need help on anything else in the application, if you click on help from the More screen, they give detailed explanations for each of the functions within the app. We hope that this video has been helpful, and we really want to encourage parents and students to use this app to get up-to-date live information on grades and attendance.